What's up, guys? Today on Tug's Garage, we'll be doing our very first tool review of a work light that I've had for the last few years. It is a Astro 40SLMAX, and I really hope you enjoy the review. Thank you. The light has a hook that swivels back out of the way. You can hang it. It's got a magnetic swivel base on the bottom side of it that has a 20-pound magnet. The light also has an adjustable dial. It goes from 0 to 420 lumens. It's a pretty long light and it's pretty bright. I'll show you right here in the engine. It does pretty good. I've had this light for over 2 years and I have no complaints. I have dropped this light, I have kicked this light, I have thrown this light, and it still keeps going. It also has a LED right there. When you first put it on the charger after use, it's red, but when it's done charging, it turns blue. Pretty neat little thing to let you know it's fully charged. It has a USB micro B charging port. Pretty much the older Android cell phones use that same charger. I would show you the strength of the magnet on the hood of my 2020 Cherokee, but it's either plastic or aluminum. Magnets won't stick to it. Let me show you how strong this magnet is. Got that stuck to the core support. It takes quite a bit of strength to pull that magnet off of that. It can run for 13 hours at 50% power and 3.5 hours at full power. Oh, where I got the idea for this light was from Eric O at South Main Auto Repair. He has a pretty cool channel, walks through how-tos on repairing automobiles. Check him out. But there's my review for the light today, and I did check, they do still sell it on Amazon where it was purchased from 2.5 years ago, and I'll put a link in the description below. So if you like this video, please like it, leave a comment, and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks.